Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today I will be going over how you can use this, yes, Morton's good old cheap table salt, um, as a protection. This is great for creating barriers, okay? And you don't want to use like that expensive salt, the Dead Sea salt, not for what I'm showing you for. This will work just fine. So, you see this girl right here? See this little girl? She been protecting me, you, your mama, your grandmama, your great grandmama. Okay, she been in the family for a long, long time. Okay, and she been doing her thing. She been doing her thing. And y'all see that little trail she leaving behind? Yeah, yes. She been making it do what it do for a long time. Okay, this is great for putting over your threshold, over your front door, in front of your front door to keep negative energies away. Anybody that means you harm can't cross it. So, just put that under your mat. And also, if you have some red brick dust, double that thing up. Baby, they're not coming. They're not coming. Another way that you can use this, you can just create a barrier around your home. Just go around your home with the salt. Can't touch it, baby. Can't touch it. Good old Morton, okay? So yeah, you can take this and go around your home. You might need about 2 or 3, but it's cheap, so I mean, come on. You can put it in the corners of your home for protection. Um, if you're trying to purchase a home, you can read Psalm 40 and sprinkle salt throughout the house. I'm not saying use this for like, oh, I want a house, but I don't have any money to purchase the home. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about if you don't put in a bid for a home, you know what I'm saying? Use this, you'll get it. Um, you can use this with gravel salt. I mean gravel root. Gravel root. My bad. I'm sorry. Regular salt with gravel root. Um, in your pocket when you're out looking for a job, so you can do that. Find your job with that. Um, oh, I had to make my notes. If you want somebody like somebody come to visit you and you don't want them to come back to your house anymore, just get a pinch of salt and just throw it behind them on their way out. Or once they leave, throw that salt so they don't come back no more. And you won't. I bet you will not see them no more. They ain't coming back. They not coming back. Okay. I think that's it. And I'll go over well, black salt. I'm gonna make another video for that because I don't want these videos to be too long. I think that was it. Until next time, y'all stay blessed. Highly favored. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below how you use table salt. How have you used this throughout the generations? Yeah. Until next time, y'all stay blessed and highly favored.